Explain the memory representation of one-dimensional array with an example. And there is a problem to solve. We'll discuss the problem. The problem is used to calculate the address of a particular index in one-dimensional array. Array. Array is a linear collection of finite number of homogeneous data elements. Homogeneous means all elements should be of same data type. Linear collection means there should be a linear order one after another. So array is a linear collection of finite number of homogeneous data elements. When an array is stored in memory, its elements get stored in consecutive memory locations. So array becomes a linear data structure because it gets stored into the memory in consecutive memory locations one after another, so it will be able to move from one to another in linear data structure. So array is a linear and homogeneous data structure. Elements in an array can be accessed with an index set consisting of consecutive numbers. So each element of an array can be accessed by using an index, and the index will range from lower value to the last upper value. Accessing an array element, consider an array A with its element and index. So in this array A, the elements are 100, 200, 300 till 1000, and its index is starting from 15 till 24. The first index is 15, second index is 16, till the last one is 24. Elements of an array can be accessed by using array name and index value as subscript. So each element of the array A can be accessed by using its array name. Array name is A, followed by its index value as a subscript. The index value can be 15 to 24. So if you want to access the first element, the index will be 15. In order to access the second, 16, and the last is 24. In this array A, first element can be accessed as A of 15, second as A of 16, and the last as A of 24. Index value outside the set 15 to 24 cannot be used in this array. So any array, if we have created, if we have used, its index value will be a set, its outside value cannot be used. In this example, the index value is from 15 to 24. So any index value outside and 15 and 24 is not possible to use. Size or length of an array. Size. Number of elements in an array is known as size or length of array, which can be calculated as the size of array equals UB minus LB plus 1, where UB is the upper bound and LB is the lower bound index of an array. So in the previous example, array A, the upper bound was 24 and lower bound is 15. So the size of A can be calculated as UB minus LB plus 1. UB is the upper bound. Upper bound was 24. The lower bound was 15. So 24 minus 15 plus 1. So size of one-dimensional array can be calculated as UB minus LB plus 1, where UB is the upper bound index and LB is the lower bound index of the array. Memory representation of one-dimensional array. Array allows to refer any element directly by calculating its address. Address of first element of an array is known as base address, and it is denoted by base of array name. For example, for array A, the address of first element can be accessed as base of A. So base of array name indicates the address of the first element. An array allows to calculate every element's address. and that can be calculated. Address of any other element of an array A can be calculated as location of AK equal base of A plus W into K minus LB. So here AK indicates the kth element in the array A. AK is the kth element of the array. A is known as AK, and location of AK indicates the address of AK. The address of kth element of array A is known as location of AK. Base of A, the address of the first element. Address of first element is known as base of A, and W is size of data type of array element. So every element in an array will be having constant size because it is having same data type. Every element data type should be same in array. So that size, the size of data type of array element is known as W. And K is the kth element whose memory address we have to calculate, and LB is the lower bound index of the array. So address of any element, any kth position element can be calculated as location of AK equals base of A plus W into K minus LB. Base of A is the address of first element, W is the size of every element of the array, and kth element index we are calculating, and LB is the lower bound of the array. There is a sum to calculate. Suppose an array A is having base address as 1500. So base of A is 1500, and each element takes two memory cells. So if each element takes two memory cells, that means W is 2. And the array starting index is 1. So lower bound is 1. Then calculate the address of the element at index 8 in the array. So K is 8. Address of an element of an array A can be calculated as location of AK equals base of A plus W into K minus LB. So here base of A is 1500, W is 2 bytes of memory, each memory cells. Each element takes 2 bytes of memory cells. Lower bound is 1 and K is 8. So the location of A8 can be calculated as base of A, which is 1500 plus W is 2 into K minus LB. K minus LB is 8 minus 1, which will result as 1514. Similarly, one more sum has to calculate. Suppose an array A is having base address as 2500. So base of A is 2500, and each element takes 8 memory cells. So 8 memory cells, W is 8, and the array starting index is 9. Starting index 9 means lower bound is 9. Then calculate the address of element at index 20. K is 20. Calculate the result and text the result in the comment section.